Hello student, our today's topic is velocity. Okay, and this velocity is denoted by a small v. Okay, and this is from class 9th from the chapter motion. Okay, now see what is velocity. Speed of a body is in given direction. Okay, what is the difference between speed and velocity? Speed is the same difference what's in between distance and displacement. Okay, so velocity is also like speed only, but what is the difference? The difference is that velocity is a vector quantity and speed is a scalar quantity. Okay, so for solving the velocity we will use the direction, we cannot ignore it. Okay, and when we solve for speed, then there is no direction is not compulsory. Okay, only magnitude is compulsory. So see, speed velocity is what? Velocity is nothing but the speed of a body in given direction. See the second point, what is the definition? Velocity is the displacement of a body in per unit time. Okay, so displacement of a body in per unit time gives velocity. And अगर यहीं पे होता कि distance of a body in per unit time, then that's your speed. Okay, so what is the simple formula of velocity? Velocity is equal to displacement upon time. Now see the another point, velocity is a vector quantity. If it is a vector quantity, then obviously its values depend on the magnitude as well as the direction. And if it is a vector quantity, then velocity can be positive, it can be negative, and it can be zero also. Okay, now see what is the definition of average velocity. Average velocity is equal to total displacement upon total time taken. Okay, average velocity is equal to total displacement upon total time taken, or in another word we can say it is average velocity is equal to initial velocity plus final velocity divided by 2. What is initial velocity? The starting velocity. Okay, जब भी हम लोग कहीं से चलना शुरू करते हैं, then obviously there is some starting point and there is some ending point. Okay, so this is called your initial position and this is your final position. Okay, so suppose you are driving a car. ठीक है, तो ज़रूरी थोड़ी आप एक ही स्पीड से जाओ, आप यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड से जाओ. No, it's not compulsory. Okay, you can change your speed, or we can say that you can change your velocity. Okay, with respect to time. Suppose कभी आपको कार तेज चलाने का मन कर रहा है, कभी आपको कार स्लो चलाने का मन कर रहा है. Okay, so your initial and your final velocity will be different at that moment. Okay, so if you have to find your average velocity, then what you will do? You will just add your initial velocity and your final velocity and divide that velocities with 2. Okay, by 2. So velocity is denoted by small v, and here it is average velocity. So this is v average is equal to initial velocity is always denoted by a small u. Final velocity is always denoted by v. So u plus v divided by 2. This is the formula of average velocity. Okay. So now see, where u is equal to initial velocity, v is equal to final velocity, and t is equal to time. Now see the SI unit of velocity, as velocity is equal to displacement upon time. See the definition, velocity is equal to displacement upon time. So what is the SI unit of displacement? Meter, and SI unit of time is second. So SI unit of velocity is same as speed, that is meter per second. So SI unit of velocity is meter per second. SI unit of speed is also meter per second. Okay, now see last point, it can be positive, negative, or zero. Obviously if velocity is a vector quantity, then it can be positive, negative, or zero. Okay, so velocity is completed. Now our next topic will be acceleration. Okay, if you have any doubt, then comment it in comment box. Thank you so much.